Right. So now we are going to be talking about the endoplasmic reticulum. Right. So osome cells such as prokaryotes or red blood cells do not have an endoplasmic reticulum. Uh, why? Because these are first of all prokaryotic cells में तो obviously membrane bound organelles नहीं होती and endoplasmic reticulum is one of those. ठीक है ना? And red blood cells में nucleus नहीं होता. So a nucleus is always going to be associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. अगर nucleus नहीं है तो endoplasmic reticulum भी नहीं होगा. So the membranes form an extensive system of flattened compartments जिनको सैक्स भी कहा जाता है और सिस्टर्ने भी कहा जाता है, spreading throughout the cell. The ER is continuous with the outer membrane of the nucleus. ये बात मैंने अभी अभी बोली है. And the smooth ER, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, is involved in the synthesis of lipids and steroids, such as cholesterol and reproductive hormones like estrogen and testosterone. The rough ER, और उसे रफ इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि वो कवर्ड होता है राइबोसोम्स में. दैट इज व्हाई इट हैज अ रफ अपीयरेंस. And the ribosomes are visible as black dots. The rough ER basically synthesizes the proteins, right? So you have the RER, yeah, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and you have the SER, yeah, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. अब SER की अगर हम बात पहले करें तो it acts as a storage organelle and important in the production and storage of lipids and steroids, and it is also responsible for the detoxification of drugs and poisons. यहाँ पे अगर आर ई आर की बात करें या रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम की बात करें तो द surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with ribosomes that are the sites of protein production. Protein molecules are made and collected in the lumen of the RER. When enough proteins have been produced, they are collected and pinched off in small carrier vesicles. और फिर वो गोल्जी की तरफ जाते हैं.